How to hide online status on emo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can use your emo account in offline mode. Super easy process, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to use emo in offline mode, open up the emo application from your phone, and from the home page go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and then go and tap on security and privacy. Now once you're here inside the security and privacy, you just need to scroll down from this page a little bit, and under the privacy you'll get to see the second option, last seen and online status. You just need to tap on this and you'll get to see it's currently selected everyone. That means everyone can see that you are online. Now if you want to disable this, you can either select my contact and custom, and also if you want to appear offline for everyone, you can go ahead and tap on nobody. And once you do that, from now you can easily use emo in offline mode. No one can see that you are online. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.